You can reach the shoreline before your morning coffee cools, with deeded beach access just 200 steps away. Positioned on the east shore of the barrier island in Vero Beach, this home is one defined by water access, discretion, and enduring appeal. The home encompasses above 1,600 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths arranged beneath vaulted ceilings. An open layout connects the primary living spaces, anchored by a limestone kitchen island with marble and quartz countertops, all coastal finishes selected for longevity. A 2021 metal roof, impact-rated windows and sliders, an electric fireplace encased in limestone, EV charging, and an epoxy-finished 2-car garage provide long-term performance. From Ocean Drive to Round Island State Park and the Fort Pierce Inlet, this home delivers access to dining, boating, and nature. For additional details or a private showing, contact me, Livia Sorger, with One Sotheby's International Realty.